Hi, I'm Marissa. I created Wrenvia, a digital resource hub for creatives to make art more approachable and easier. My Trace and Create packs remove the pressure of drawing so you can focus on the joy of creating. Let's walk you through the process. You see, I'm layering the art paper on the bottom, graphite paper, and the printed Wrenvia line art from the Garden Friends pack. Be sure you secure with tape. I'm using a pencil to trace the lines of the line art, which will transfer the image to my final art paper. Try not to peek during this process because it is very challenging to realign your image. And just like that, you're ready to paint. Until next time, happy creating!